Good morning, teacher. This is Miss Exposition. The topic is Oregon. My name is Anthony. One, what about the weather in your country? The weather in my country is sunny and cloudy. The hair dies when it a lot of sun and after when it get alert. It same time is going to rain. Two, my favorite time of winter and season. The weather that I like is cold because it's very spectacle. It's a pleasant temperature and this characterized by having short days, longer nights, and lower temperatures. Three, discuss the question. A. What is a hurricane? Hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone characterized by its intense wind, electrical storm, and having a constant rain. B. What speed are, are the wind is a hurricane? The speed and trajectory of a hurricane depend on complex interaction between the atmosphere and the sea. Typical hurricane mueve a under under 190 y 154 kilometers per hour. See, what should do in a hurricane? Stand indoor away from windows, screen and glass door keep a supply of flushing and extract bacteria of harm. Avoid open flames such as candles and kerosene lamps a source of leak. Thank you.